Hello there. That looks like a beautiful drawing. What are you sketching?
Hi, thanks. I'm trying to capture that old oak tree over there. It's so magnificent. What's your name, by the way?
My name is Maya, and this is Buddy. He's my dog. Nice to meet you, Leo. What do you do for work?
Nice to meet you too, Maya and Buddy. I'm an architect. And you?
I work as a graphic designer. It's pretty creative, which I love. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger sister. Do you?
I have a brother. He lives in Canada. Where are you from originally, Leo?
I'm from Vancouver, actually. I just moved here last year. What about you?
I was born in Seoul, but I've lived here for a while. So, how long have you been an architect?
I've been working as an architect for about 7 years now. What are your hobbies outside of work?
I enjoy playing tennis and swimming, especially on sunny days like this. What about you, besides sketching?
I love reading books and going for long walks. Speaking of walks, do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places. I've been to Italy, and I loved it. Have you traveled abroad much?
I have. I went to London last year. It was amazing. What's your dream vacation?
Definitely the Maldives. I'd love to visit. What's your favorite season?
I like autumn for sure. The colors are beautiful. Hey, do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet. Why do you ask?
I was thinking of checking out the new art exhibition downtown. Would you like to go sometime?
Oh, that sounds interesting. Yes, of course, that would be nice.
Great. How about we exchange numbers and I'll text you the details?
Sounds good.